Hello again and welcome back to our mini fair in Flemingsberg. I have with me Takashi from ChemPartner. Very welcome. Please
Thank you.
tell us about ChemPartner. What do you do?
Well, ChemPartner is a global CRO that has the end-to-end capabilities from early drug discovery through IND filing. And we've been working with multiple modalities such as small molecules, biologics, but also proteins, molecular glues, and oligos. And also in the multiple indications, strong legs are in oncology, immunology and inflammation, and CNS-related diseases.
Sounds great.
Yeah.
Where are you based?
Well, we have multiple sites around the world. Headquarters and a few of the sites are in Shanghai and around. And then we open up a new site in Boston, a pretty large one, and we'll open up a site in UK as well.
And could you tell us a little bit about your own role?
I'm the Nordic business developer, so my job is to understand the Nordic market and to map and understand the infrastructure, also to get in touch with a lot of people here and increase awareness about ChemPartner.
You're here today. What
Yes.
was your goal by being exhibiting at the mini fair?
Thank you. It's actually my first time here as an exhibitor, and my goal was to, as always, map and to understand the Flemingsberg environment and get to know the community and so on. So it's going well. It's been a good day. Thank you.
Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you.